everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna give you the solution to can't find the chroma key on CapCut. So if you guys are wondering where is the chroma key options in CapCut, by watching this video you'll find the answer. So here I've already added a video and also an overlay to my video, and I'm gonna remove that green screen by using the chroma key. So if you guys can't find the chroma key options in here, you need to add the overlay first in your video and then click and add the overlay, and then after that just swipe until you find the cutout option. So just click on the cutout, and here you'll find there is a chroma key option. So just click on the chroma key and then click on the color picker and then drag the color picker into the green screen, and after that adjust the intensity like this, and then the green screen will be disappear just like that. And after that just click on the check icon, and here is the result. So I hope this will answer to you guys who can't find the chroma key and CapCut. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the next videos. Bye.